Good morning, class. So, chapter Our Politics. Today we are going to discuss about this. What is our politics? We know that India is known as the largest democracy in the world, is it? And it has got its first republic which day on 26 January 1950. So, related with our what you call democracy, related to our constitution, some rules or some necessary things or very important things, awareness which will enhance our awareness about that politics, about that public votes and all, voting, these all books and all, we know that. So these all will be a little bit here description will get. Okay, so let's see. What we have to do is that the correct one we have to take. So this one, as a sentence, I'm mentioning as a sentence, you will write in the copy so that you can learn some sentences about Indian politics. You can learn some sentences on Indian politics. Okay, so as a correct, only the correct option with the sentence you will write here. Okay, and how it can come, it can come like fill in the blanks, it can come with the options that anyone you have to choose, or it can come as a question answer also. So for that reason, if you learn as a sentence, proper sentence with a proper point, then it will be easy for you to attend all types of questions, is it? So let's see, let us start the discussion. The first one, a money bill can only be introduced in the Lok Sabha. It is only can be introduced in Lok Sabha. So first one will be Lok Sabha. Second, the period during which the house meets to conduct its business is called a session. We know this duration of time is known as, or the period of time is known as session. The governor or vice president is the chairman of Rajya Sabha. We know that is vice president is the chairman of Rajya Sabha. The president of India addresses his resignation to the vice president. President to vice president of India. All related with Indian politics, keep it in mind. State legislatures that have two houses are called bicameral. We know bi means two, mono means one. So by the name only we can say it is bicameral. The Rajya Sabha can have a maximum of 250 members. How many members can maximum? It's 250. The first hour of a sitting of the house allotted for asking and answering of questions is known as question hour. That is why any meeting or conference, first time it is, or any time of the period, duration of time has fixed for questioning only or question answer only. So it is known as the questioning hour. The Prime Minister of India can be removed from his office by dismissal. Not the President, it is dismissal. Okay. The Prime Minister or President declares financial emergency in our country. Who can declare this financial emergency? President, always the President. Stopping the proceedings of the House by an MP to discuss any urgent matter of public importance is known as an adjournment motion. This is known as adjournment motion. Now, it can come that what do you know about an adjournment motion? Therefore, you have to write, or what do you know about session? You can write, it can ask that how many members Rajya Sabha can consist of. Then you have to write 250 members maximum. Or who can declare the financial emergency? So that also can be asked. So for that reason I am telling you, as a question answer form it can come, as a multiple choice that also it can come. So what is better to learn? You will learn as a sentence. On that topic you just write down all the sentences, because all these related with one topic, that is Indian politics. Okay, so write a short note on Indian politics. If it will come, then you'll add all those things. Those all are important, related with Rajya Sabha, related with Lok Sabha, about democracy and all. So these all are actually Indian politics. So you can add those points. Okay, so as a sentence you will write this all in the copy and learn it properly. Okay, so till then just revise the chapter. Thank you, class.